Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Marcus CDC. Today we have an unboxing. Hope you're all doing well today. So, let's check this out. We got made in USA. That's always a good thing. Well, this is what we got today, guys. It's the Bradford G-Necker, or also known as a Bradford cleaver. This is not the drop point blade. I wish I could have had that one. I was trying to get that one, but I don't think they make it anymore. So if you guys have that one, you guys are lucky because they don't have that one anymore. I wish they did. So let's check this bad boy out. Ooh, that's a small blade, but pretty sure it'll get things done. And what do we got here? What kind of steel do we have? Elmax. That's an elmax steel, guys. It's not gonna focus, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys have all heard of this knife. And just to let you guys know, this doesn't come like this. I opened it previously to the video. Wanted to make sure everything was in there and make sure there was no address or phone numbers. You know how YouTube is. I really don't care if you guys know where I live or my phone number. It's just YouTube. They have their standards and they don't want anybody knowing anybody's information. So I had to check it out, make sure. And while I was at it, I wrapped I want to say the necklace that comes with it for the neck, because it's a neck knife. Obviously it's a neck knife. It's called the G-Necker, but of course I'm not gonna wear it on my neck. I ended up ordering a Alti clip, which you guys all know about the Alti clip. I ordered it on Amazon. It was like $16. It took about a week to get to me. I just wish Amazon would sell it from the Amazon store, because it just takes forever in the other way, the way they have it coming from Alticlip. So I was kind of disappointed, but it got here a little bit before than the actual knife did, so that was like kind of weird. But oh well, the point is I got it and it's here. So anyways, back to this bad boy. Let's check out how long it is. Let's see. I got the entire blade was probably like 6 3/4, and the cutting edge would probably be roughly about 2.5, like roughly over 2.5 inches of cutting blade. Oh yeah, let me see if maybe I'm doing this wrong. Yeah, still about the same. Yeah. So yeah, it's a small blade, but it's gonna get the job done, guys. Pretty sure you're not gonna need anything else. But oh, actually, also I didn't mention this, but I bought the knife actually from Amazon, and it came from Chicago Knife Works. I was kind of disappointed in the wait time. It took about almost 2 weeks for it to get to me. I just wish they would sell these knives on Amazon, from the actual Amazon store, because I have Amazon Prime, so it would get to me in like 2 days, 3 days. But it's just, they don't have them. So if I really wanted it, I either had to get it from there or go somewhere else, and I already have the money on my account. So I just said, all right, let's do it. If I really want it, I'm gonna get it from them. So I finally got it today, and I'm kind of happy. We'll see. I'm gonna be reviewing it after I use it for like 2 weeks at work. But let's see how sharp it is out of the box. Let's cut a little bit of paper and see. Okay. And forgive me, the angle is kind of, this is my first time using a tripod. So, it's a little tough, guys. First time. I usually do the one-handed. I'm usually holding the camera. So, it's tough. It's a little difficult. But yeah, it's pretty sharp out of the box. I know you can't really tell how sharp a knife is with the paper test, but at least if it's cutting paper, then you know it's a little decent. They didn't send you a completely dull knife. So let's try some cardboard. Let's try some cardboard here, guys. Yeah, it's the first time using the tripod, so it's gonna be pretty weird, guys. I'll figure this out. I might need to get a bigger tripod. So we'll see what happens, guys. Dropping everything too, so I'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure I way need a bigger tripod. But yeah, it's cutting, guys. That's about all I'm gonna do. Let's see if it dulled our Sorry, you guys. I kind of suck trying to cut paper under the tripod. If you guys ever tried it before, it's pretty tough. So forgive me. I'm trying my best. There's nothing wrong with the knife, though. You know what, guys? Let me see. Let me get a different paper. I'm pretty sure it's just me because I was cutting. As you can tell earlier, when I did try to cut the paper, it was cutting decently. Yeah. But now it's just not working for me. So forgive me. Let's see, guys. No, it's still sharp. It's just me. It's pretty hard to get the angle. Let me see if it still cuts cardboard. It's hard for me to get the angle. Oh, it's still cutting cardboard pretty good, so that's a good thing. My lighting system fell, guys. All right, I'm gonna give it up because it's going all over the place. But anyways, I just wanted to unbox this, guys, and let you guys know what I have and that I'm gonna be testing this soon and giving it an actual review to let you know if you guys should buy it or not. So I will see you guys on the next one. God bless and have a wonderful night. And God bless you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you